Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Articulary, where we make a content about eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, we're going to talk about amazing product ideas that are under $5 on the Amazon that you could very well purchase for decorating your home for this Christmas, for this upcoming holidays. So if you're looking forward to, then let's get straight with that. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check our website. That's at www.articulary.com. The link is in description box below, where we have affordable hard printables and also art posters and frame art prints and so much more. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about amazing product ideas, items, whatever you call it, that are on the Amazon under $5, which you can very well use it for decorating your home. I'm going to leave all the links of these products in description box below. You can very well check it out for you. First product idea that I have for you is metal tin sign vintage retro wall decor art tin sign for office, home, classroom, bathroom decor gifts. So it's a decor sign where it's written life is a better with a dog. So it's pretty amazing with the dog sign, and it is 8 into 12 inches. It's coming in different kinds of shades depending on the dog. It will just going to cost you $2.99. It's really affordable, guys, and you are getting the 3 different kinds of options in that, which you can very well go and buy from the Amazon. So it's made from, the material is the metal vintage theme. Let's talk about a little bit about the product. Perfect decoration, vintage retro style decor, ideal for living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, classroom, guest room, office, dining room, cafe room, restaurant or bar. Perfect gift. This product is especially suitable for home decoration. This poster is not only suitable for your own use but also for the gifts, suitable for different scenes or festivals to your family, friends and colleagues. Special design, high quality, 100% printed on tin design, 4 holes in each corners. So that's about this particular. The second product I have for you is Vouvet yellow and gray flowers wall art painting set of 4, 8 into 10 unframed gray and yellow poster bird on blooming flowers. So it's basically a wall art painting that has the flowers, and you're getting yellow and gray flowers, and it's a set of 4. It just cost you $4.99. It's really affordable, and these are the frames are not included, but you're getting the posters. So the let's talk about the materials and a little bit about this particular product. So Vouvet gray and yellow poster, 8 into 12 inches. It's a canvas material, frame type. You are getting unframed. Okay. Wall mount, the canvas print is total 4 pieces into 12 inches, 8 unframed, 100% high quality canvas. Printing poster and made of environmentally friendly canvas painting that totally compliant with the standard, clear image, brightly lustrous color, environmentally friendly and safe. Usage a unique gift for your lover, families, classmates, and friends which can decorate the office, bathroom, bedroom, nursery. Usage easy. 100% product satisfaction guaranteed. It's looking pretty beautiful. The floral paintings, the floral art print that you could very well hang on your wall. It's unframed, so you are not getting in the form of the frames. But these could be an amazing. You're getting a 4 at just $4.99. It's pretty affordable deal, which you can get the beautiful art printables. Let's talk about the last product for this particular video. The product that I have for you is Urban Stripe Mandala ceramic coaster for drinks, absorbent coasters with cork based stone coaster set for wooden table. So these are the coasters that are ceramic, and these are made from the mandala. You're getting a 1 pack. It's highly eco-friendly, made of 100% natural materials. So that's amazing. It's 4 inches long. It just cost you $3.49. So it's a really affordable rate. And these are beautiful coasters. Absorb the water at a visible speed. Let's talk about the product detail. It's 100% eco-friendly because it's made from the natural clay. The material is cork ceramic Urban Stripe 4 inches, 3 into stronger water absorption ceramic, made from stone absorbent ceramic with natural authentic cork base, size 4 inches. Zero worry for scratch. The back of coaster is cork, which will help prevent the porcelain from scratching tabletops or countertops and provides a non-slip surface, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off the table. 4 inches bigger ceramic coaster. The moisture absorbing ability of this thicker, bigger 4 inches in diameter, better than normal silicone leather coaster. Sleek coaster holders save time to constantly tidy up the towels of coasters neatly stack up your coasters in the slate coaster mandala pattern. So that's a mandala pattern. It's very well kind of like a mandalas. If you love them, you could very well have them. The ceramic ones, and $5 on Amazon that you could very well purchase for your home decor. I'm going to leave all the links of these product in the description box below. You can click on that link. You can very well check it out if you want to buy a one. Let me know if you want more such videos about Amazon haul under $5, under $10. I would really love to make more such videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.